First things first, appreciate your support. So this is a bone washing machine that has issued the bearings. It has been replaced before 6 months ago with a different company, same issue as record. So two things, either the bearings are not well replaced, but what I'm sure about this bone washing machine is the more you use the machine on worn bearings, the hub is affected. So I think they did a good job, but because the client continuously used the machine on one bearings, the hub was affected. So let me show you what happens when you continuously use a faulty washing machine that has one bearings. So this is the pulley, this is the motor. From there you can see the bearing. This is the outer bearing, the small one, and then we have a bigger one inside. So what happens is when the machine bearings are worn, it starts making some funny noise. So when you realize your machine is making noise, you have to stop using it and get a technician. Call in a technician to assess, then advise. If you check, this is a leak. There's a leakage from the seal. So the seal is on the spider. So what happens is when bearings are worn out and you continuously use that, the seal is affected. Now it can't prevent water coming out, so water comes through here. So there's a leakage that comes through this. If you're unlucky, the water goes into the motor. So this customer was lucky anyway. The motor is still intact, so water was going underneath, was coming through the seal and then to the motor. So if you realize your machine is making noise, just calling a technician. If you're not ready, maybe you don't have money at that time, you can plan when to get it fixed. If not, this is what happens. You replace the bearings, two bearings, you replace the seal, you replace the motor. If you're unlucky, because communication comes from the control panel, this is the control panel, so it will blow the motor and then it will blow the control panel, which is the motherboard. So what you need to do is get a technician anytime you realize your machine is not behaving well. If not, this is the situation now: motor, bearing, seal, and the motherboard. So on this one here, we'd have to get another drum, because you can't be replacing bearings after 3 months, 4 months. No, the hub is affected, so this drum has to be replaced complete. That part, the behind part that has the hub has to be replaced, which is quite expensive. So you have to be careful. Different makes, different prices, and durability also depends on the brand you went for. So if you have a washing machine that is faulty, please get a technician to get it fixed. Thanks for the support. Subscribe, follow, share, like for more content. I love you guys. I'm out.